a important question. In this question, what we are having in the bracket, it is 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta upon 5 minus cos square theta minus 4 sin theta d theta. Now, what we can do it? First of all, let's write 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta upon 5 minus 1 minus sin square theta minus 4 sin theta d theta. Let sin theta is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to theta, cos theta d theta is equal to dt. Now our question becomes integration of 3t minus 2 d theta upon 5 minus 1 plus t square minus 4t. Okay, and this implies now integration of 3t minus 2 upon t square minus 4t plus 4 with dt. Sorry, here it is dt. Now to this part we can go for two different methods. Number one is, if we can make the factors of the denominator, then we can move for the partial fraction. If we can't make the factors, then we can apply the formula px plus q is equal to a d by dx of the denominator plus b. Okay, so let's try it now. 3t minus 2. Now it is clearly visible that this is the formula for t minus 2 whole square with dt. Okay, so now what we can write it? Three t minus 2 upon t minus 2 whole square is equal to a upon t minus 2 plus b upon t minus 2 whole square. Okay, now three t minus 2 is equal to a with t minus 2 plus b. Now this becomes 3t minus 2 is equal to at minus 2a plus b. Comparing coefficient of t and constant term, what we are getting? A is equal to 3 and minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. Now putting the value of a here, what we are getting now? Minus 6 plus b is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 4. So we are having two values, a 3 and b 4. Okay, so now integration of 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 whole square dt is equal to integration of 3 upon t minus 2 dt plus 4 upon t minus 2 whole square dt. Or to this you can write it now. Okay, let's write there. Now, integration of 3 with dt upon t minus 2 plus 4 integration of dt upon t minus 2 whole square. Is it clear? So now this becomes 3 log mod t minus 2 plus 4 integration of t minus 2 whole square dt. Now this becomes 3 log mod of t minus 2 plus 4, it is minus 2, sorry, plus 4 with 1 upon t minus 2 upon minus 1 plus c. Now to this we can write it 3 log 2 minus t minus 4 into 1 upon t minus 2 plus c. Now why I have written t minus 2 here? Because t is what? T is sin theta. So t minus 2 is equal to sin theta minus 2, but sin theta minus 2 cannot be negative, therefore we will be writing 2 minus sin theta. Okay. So this is the very important step. Now what we are having? Now we can write it 3 log 2 minus sin theta, because value of sin theta is never one more than 1. Okay, so that's why we can write 2 minus sin theta. Now plus 4 upon 2 minus sin theta plus c. Now to this part I have taken minus common from here and multiplied by this minus. Okay, so that's why we are having plus 4 upon 2 minus sin theta plus c. This is the answer.